Right before we jump into this video, if you'd like me to send you a free guide to capturing motion in low light situations, just look for this orange box over on the website, put your name, email address in it, hit send it. I'm gonna send you that guide for free. Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and this is an unboxing of one of the first production Canon R5 Mark IIs in the entire world. That's right, we've got a production unit right here to take out into the real world and start testing out. But before I get into the unboxing, I did get a chance to do a hands-on preview of the Canon R5 Mark II. That is linked down below. And we also were able to do an autofocus review, which is also linked down below as well. So let's get to the unboxing and sniffy sniff. So this is the box it comes in. You got your Canon R right there, which is very similar to what the other ones came out with. You've got your camera, it shows you on the side right there. You've got the normal stuff that you would find on the box. But the question is, does it come with a charger? Because a lot of cameras today are not coming with chargers anymore. Namely, the Nikon Z6 III didn't come with a charger, but that is at a lower price point, and it's not that big of a deal anymore when you could just plug into USB-C, which we all have for our phones or other devices. So let's flip this open and see what we have inside. First things first, we do have an official Canon EOS R5 Mark II camera strap. Smells like a camera strap. Okay, so you got that. We have a Canon Imaging Products warranty card. So you have your product warranty card. You still get a R5 Mark II user's manual, though the good news is inside of the camera there is a QR code that allows you to just go ahead and scan it and bring up the manual. That is just, oh my God, this comes in so many languages. There is Japanese, there is English, there is CS. What? I don't know what CS, I don't know all these languages. Holy God, there's an alphabet of languages in here. That is pretty crazy. I'm not gonna throw it today. We're gonna put it right there. And right underneath all of that, this is your battery charger. It's the same style battery charger that you're used to seeing from Canon. You got your flip out wall unit thing. It does take up a lot of space if you were to put this into a power strip. It's one of those things that I kind of like when it had a cord regularly that I could just plug into, but you've got it built in, so one less thing to worry about. This is for charging your battery. We're not throwing that because we're not breaking it. Cardboard. Oh, it smells like a mimeograph, that purple stuff that I had in elementary school for those copiers before copiers came out. All right, this is how it's presented inside the box. You've got presumably the camera and other accessories. Not a lot of stuff in here anymore. So let's start with the battery. Here is your battery. This is a specific battery. This is the LP-E6P. That means more power, so that you can pump out the power of the R5 Mark II to get those 30 frames per second, do that 8K. You gotta use this battery in order to take advantage of all the advancements in the R5 Mark II. Your old batteries will still work, but you might be limited on certain types of shooting. So you're gonna have to pick up extra batteries right there. Battery right there. Empty bag. I don't know what this is. You have this thing right here, which you can kind of organize some cables, kind of like a jerk stopper, but I've honestly never used one of these. But you can use it to attach your cables and make sure that they don't flop around. So you've got that device right there. Then we've got, I'm assuming, a USB-C cable. USB-C to USB-C. Does it have a number on it? It says Canon. Now, I'm not sure if it's like a super powerful cable because it doesn't say lightning or whatever, but whatever. We'll throw that there. We've got the camera. Let's see if there's anything under the bottom. Nope, nope, nope. And I said I wasn't gonna throw anything. I guess I threw stuff. And this is it right here. This is what you've been waiting to see. This is your Canon EOS R5 Mark II. Let me jump in here real quick and let you know that this video is brought to you by Squarespace. If you're looking to build your very own online portfolio or any other type of website, Squarespace is what I've been using for my personal website at jaredpolin.com for well over 10 years. It's simple, easy, affordable, and I don't need to know any coding. To get your 14-day free trial, head on over to squarespace.com/FronosPhoto. If you decide that it's for you, use the code FronosPhoto at checkout to get 10% off your first order. Now, let's get back to the video. There have been subtle changes. We will show you the production version right here. You've got your vents on the bottom, and you also now have vents on the side as well. And something new right here is this locking weather-sealed cap, because there were issues where these were failing up here. The hot shoes were failing in certain Canon cameras if they would get moisture or if they would get wet. Knock on wood, I didn't run into any of those issues myself, but they now have this locking cap. And I will tell you, I had major issues, and I still have major issues getting it off. So there's your cap. It clicks in. It's not super easy to get off, but then you would think you're not moving quickly to take this on or off because it's either going to be on for a shoot or fully off. But that is going to protect your digital hot shoe, which the Canon R5 did not have. You now officially have your hot shoe. This is the camera. Oh, yes. A Glade plugin. Man, you got to love that Glade plugin smell. It's like a lavender field. So that is basically your unboxing and sniffy sniff. The wind tunnel test is on hiatus right now, but I do want to remind you that we did have a hands-on preview, link down below, and a preview or review of the autofocus, which was absolutely incredible. That is linked down below as well. I am ready to take this out into the real world and give it some real tests, photographing soccer, other events, portraits, whatever I can shoot, I am gonna try and do with this camera. So thank you guys very much for watching. Please stay tuned for more coming soon. Jared Polin, FronosPhoto.com. See ya.